Well, ako talaga as a Filipino, yung contested area, although it is contested between China and tayo, if you ask me, atin talaga yan. So, as a Filipino, I would insist that that part of the West Philippine Sea is atin. Part of the economic zone. Ang territorial waters lang actually, historically, 3 miles. Pero yung economic zone is 12. And beyond that is the, well, parang part of your sovereign entitlement. Wala man tayong away sa relax na lang akong wala man tayong away sa China noon. We were free to fish in and out of that area. Nobody was bugging us, and there was no issue of territory. We were not molested. We went there to fish, to make my countrymen to make a living undisturbed. Ito na lang ngayon na bago itong diskarte, pero alam mo, hindi ko I would be storytelling kung ano talaga nangyari. But alam ninyo kung bakit yan. What started the rock was there. Well, let us start by never mind the people that America is using, or that is a part of the geopolitics of America. And the Philippines ginamit. So, nagpagamit. Magawa. Kanya-kanyang depende sa kung sinong nakaupo. During my time, I do not even remember a day of the 6 years that I was president na may kausap akong Amerikano sa Malacanang. I do not even remember receiving the ambassador of America. Wala akong hindi ako anti-American, but yung ano kasi noon, yung neutrality, sinadya ko na lang na ayaw kong magkipag-usap sa at hindi lang sa Amerikano, pati na sa Chinese and everybody. Let's not talk about this thing. Itong foreign policy. The sole organ kasi, remember the sole organ sa ating konstitusyon vis-a-vis foreign relations is the president only, not even Congress, not even the barangays. The sole organ sa ating foreign policy is the president. Kaya yung iba naman, hindi ko na lang I won't name names, but and there may be ignorance Hindi nila alam. So, yan. So, panong sabihin ni Presidente dyan, basta foreign relations na anything outside of the country, Presidente yan isa lang.
Follow-up muna yung new question. Follow-up question. Mr. Desan.
Sir, having said this, ano po yung nakikita natin mag-epekto sa taong bayan sa mga Pilipino itong puno na nangyayari?
West Philippine Sea? Well, hindi naman siguro. I don't think that it would go out of control. Hindi naman, we have not reached that level of animosity or severity in the hostility with China that would warrant trouble for the country and for China also. It's I might just say siguro still within diplomatic ambit. Madala pa sa policy yan.
So, SJTV, walang po sa SJTV. Mr. President, any comment regarding sa acquittal ni po Mayor Senator Laila?
Oh, well, alam mo, abogado ako. Pagka sinabi ng korte yan, yan. And we always say that it is correct. So, that is how I see it. It is a verdict rendered by the court, and we have to respect it and be happy with it. That democracy is working well in the country.
Follow-up for another case. Lalong-lalo na yung Mr. President regarding na tulong sa ito. Ito yung sinuso ay sa NCC.
You know, guys, alam mo yung ICC, matagal na yan. Mayor pa ako. No, I don't give a shit whether they come in. Para sa akin, wala silang jurisdiction. We are not part of the ICC. Umalis na tayo. They would insist that there is a case there that would warrant for my arrest. Then, hintayin ko kung magdating. And I would like to say, ayaw ko yung Pilipino na police o NBI magpunta sa harap ko. Gusto ko yung ICC mismo magdala-dala siya ng papel niya, warrant, kung sino man yung inudiputan na yun. Kasi pag bigay niya sa akin, ipapakain ko talaga sa kanya. Ipapakain ko sa kanya, mamili ka, kainin mo, o barilin kita dito ngayon. Deliver kita sa impyerno. Swing ko putang ina mo. Kainin mo, pag hindi mo kinain yan, I've done that before with other persons. I will do it